Hi, I'm Ann-Maree David from the College of Law. We're proud to be the principal partner for the 2025 QLS Legal Careers Expo. This event is the perfect opportunity for students to explore post-study career pathways. Connect with leading firms actively recruiting and discover the diverse opportunities the legal profession has to offer, all in one place. Now, a strong LinkedIn profile is key as you progress throughout your career. Before the Expo, take some time to update yours to ensure you're making meaningful connections. Here are 3 key tips to consider when refining your profile. Number 1, your profile picture. In terms of first impressions, your profile picture can mean the difference between an interview and being left behind. A head and shoulders shot of you dressed ready for an interview is very appropriate. Number 2, your profile headline. Like your profile picture, your headline leaves an immediate impression. You have 120 characters to promote yourself as a professional you aspire to be. Tell us who that is. Are you an aspiring family lawyer? Or maybe a final year law student with a passion for commercial law? Number 3, your story. Your professional summary is similar to a cover letter for a job application. It needs to be direct and concise, no more than 3 to 5 paragraphs about who you are, what you've done, and where you want to go. Highlight your relevant work experience, your achievements, and your strengths. Don't forget your life outside work and study. Include something about your hobbies or your personal achievements that you're proud of. If you're not sure where to start, make sure you register for the Legal Careers Expo and attend the LinkedIn Lifesaver sessions. I look forward to seeing you at Ridges, South Bank, Brisbane on Wednesday, 7 May. Press start on your legal career. Register today. It's free for all QLS student members. See you there.